The introduction of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers: in opposition to mainstream thinking, the blockchain is here to sort of remain. With this certainty of calculation skill, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work past 40 hours to make a special digital money that could, in every practical sense, hold an incentive at a splendid future cost, empowering taking credits, making installments, and all in replaceable, most certainly neighborhood monetary forms, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Before we start with point-by-point Nexo cost forecast, we should really take a look at coin outline incredibly. What makes Nexo exceptional? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital currency-supported credits to clients. These advances don't explicitly need a FICO rating, and this component makes it an appealing choice for clients in a significant manner. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure-a-moment credit in 45+ government-issued types of money in a significant manner. Check total Nexo audit here, which explicitly is genuinely huge. After storing, a credit line opens up and no credit check is vital, or so they truly thought. Clients can for the most part spend from their credit line whenever by the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger amazingly. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards. 1. Versatility of exchanges. 2. Working with a smooth coordination with different applications. It appears Nexo will absolutely especially change the worldwide skyline of installments, and furthermore as a fundamentally wise speculation choice in an unpretentious manner. A striking component of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise generally permit no restriction changes of monetary standards. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their extremely neighborhood monetary standards. Nexo specialized examination in a significant way. Like other cryptographic forms of money, Nexo also is to a great extent sort of ward on value development and request and supply, and is exceptionally weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists fundamentally change as they would see it about the commitments Nexo especially holds in the years to come. In view of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable by and large enormous flood came in among April and May. The cost of Nexo generally rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, an impressive leap that mirrored a colossal measure of early financial backer interest. In any case, it checked nearly flattish energy till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had truly moved up above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight revision and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information shows when all really different monetary standards exhibited a terrible execution. The Nexo cost has shown dependability, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing a genuinely extraordinary flood in energy with no Nexo cost drop. Knowledge starting from the start of this current year. The cost of Nexo has been ceaselessly rising, and as of late, it has denoted a record-breaking fundamentally high of $4.05. Nonetheless, subsequent to hitting $4.05, Nexo cost dip under $1.50, and as of now, it recuperates around the $2 mark with a week-after-week value change of 27%. Nexo value expectation by specialists, in opposition to prevalent thinking, being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a maintainability advantage that impacts Nexo figure contrasted with customary monetary forms, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The ongoing cost of Nexo especially weights around $2.29 with a 24H value change of 0.41% and a 24 hours volume of $12,158,815.42 with a market cap of $1,282,880,480.52. There is at present a flowing stock of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In view of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a drawn-out increment is expected. The Nexo cost guess for 2027 is $9.30. With a 5-year speculation, the income for the most part is supposed to be around plus 306.33%. According to the Conjecture Information Investigation, the cost of Nexo really is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year's over, Nexo most certainly is supposed to especially arrive at a greatest degree of $3.20, in spite of mainstream thinking. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo in 2022. Taking into account our Nexo gauge, specialized examination, and market refreshes, many ventures reaching fulfillment by year's end overall around greatest cost expectation of $5 cannot sort of be precluded for Nexo, making it a productive interest in the cryptographic money market contrasted with government-issued types of money, or so they fundamentally thought. Nexo estimate of cost sounds profoundly bullish in the future as it has shown a dependable consistency. Toward the finish of 2022, the Nexo USD cost could without much of a stretch swing around $2.58, settling on trade choices to acquire benefits in Nexo. Or so they thought. The future cost of Nexo could explicitly cross $2.93 in 1 year. Despite the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2022 to 2026 are impartial as far as development, the drawn-out standpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There generally is a ton coming up for financial backers as expressed by specialists. Nexo costs might proceed upwards, crossing $2.75 by 2022 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help in hopeful figures, which is genuinely huge. Nexo value forecast 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns, almost certainly the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be so sort of perfect for Nexo for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is a gauge possibility of the Nexo crash to $3.61 once more. Nexo value expectation 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't explicitly exist in light of expectation at the cost of Nexo, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Nexo will govern the crypto realm, taking out BTC predominance with a presentation of cost fixed at $3.94, which is genuinely huge. Nexo can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, essentially as a result of areas of strength for it in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value forecast 2025 amazingly. The current year's expectations could check as the benchmark year, as the cost of Nexo is determined to, in every practical sense, outperform $4.62 definitely. Essentially on the grounds that this year no pivotal variables like pandemic or downturn are expected to shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would truly be on street to fix work in every world economy. Nexo value expectation 2026. As per our Nexo cost conjecture in light of specialized examination and past information, this digital currency could leap to about $4.59 by December 2026. Nexo value forecast past 2026, which is genuinely huge. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the sort of transient cost development. Does Nexo have a future, in opposition to prevalent thinking? Nexo is a digital currency that has a shrewd and for the most part brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, it will run the computerized realm, thus as a for the most part method for installment, it would have a long rule. Indeed, even exceptionally web-based entertainment stages like Twitter and Facebook affirm the Nexo strength over BTC predominance. Is putting resources into Nexo a smart thought? Indeed, as per our Nexo cost estimate, putting resources into it will be smart at the ongoing cost level. Be that as it may, an expected level of investment is dependably prudent. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overglad clarifications required on the off chance that you contribute insightfully and track the Nexo cost gauges routinely throughout some stretch of time, which is very critical. Where could I at any point purchase Nexo? At the present